the most important question of AP. Let us see the question. The interior angle of polygon of any side are in AP, the smallest angle is 120 degree and the common difference is 5. So then what is the largest angle of polygon? For this type of question, simple technique is what? Sum of the n terms of AP is what? N by 2 into 2a. So a is given what? 5. So 120. So 2a plus n minus 1 and d is given what? 5 into equal to sum of all interior angle of any polygon over what? 2n minus 4. So 2n minus 4 into what? 90. So we can solve this n by 2 and this is what? 240 plus 5n minus 5 and this equal to what? 180n minus 360. Okay, so we can write this n into 5n and 240 minus 5, that is 235 equal to what? 2 into 180, 360n and minus 720. When we take 5 common, so this is n square plus 5 4 ja 20, 5 7 ja 35, 47n equal to 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10, 72n minus 5 1 ja 5, 22, 144. So we can write directly n square minus 25n and plus 144 equal to 0. So n equal to what? 16 and 9. But n does not equal to 16 because at n equal to 16, angle will be greater than 180. So correct answer is what? A9. So A9 equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into t. A is already given 120 degree or n you will know 9. So 9 minus 1 and d is what? 5. So this is 120 plus 9. This is what? 9 minus 1, 8. 8 5 is 40. So this is what? 160 degree. So our correct answer A, 160 degree is right answer.